El biólogo y fotógrafo mexicano Fernando Constantino Martínez Belmar ganó el primer lugar en la categoría Fotoperiodismo del concurso Wildlife Photographer of the Year, convocado por el Museo de Historia Natural de Londres. La imagen ganadora, titulada Mexican Touring Bulldozer, muestra la devastación del Tren Maya, obra prioritaria del Gobierno en el sureste de México. Martínez Belmar, originario de Mérida, Yucatán, es un reconocido fotógrafo de naturaleza que ha trabajado en proyectos de conservación en México y América Latina. Su fotografía ganadora fue elegida entre más de 50,000 imágenes enviadas por fotógrafos de todo el mundo. El concurso Wildlife Photographer of the Year es uno de los más prestigiosos del mundo en su campo. El ganador del primer lugar en la categoría Fotoperiodismo recibe un premio de 10,000 libras esterlinas. Agencia Informativa de México.
Good evening. I'm very honored to be here today receiving this award. I would like to thank the Natural History Museum and the jury for selecting and recognizing my image. I would also like to thank both my partner Carolina, who is here with me, and my family in Mexico for always supporting me. And this image reflects one of the biggest ecocides in the history of the Yucatan Peninsula. More than 6,000 forest hectares have been deforested to make a train line which will extend through 5 states in the southeast of Mexico. This mega project is causing the fragmentation of one of the most biodiverse regions in the world, the Mayan forest, affecting many animals and plant protected species. It is also having a negative impact in some of the largest cave systems in the world, threatening the viability of the main water source in the Yucatan Peninsula, the Great Mayan Aquifer. According to scientists, the environmental long-term consequences will be devastating, and the damage could be irreversible. It is time to raise our voice. It is time to take action. It is time to protect the planet that we are leaving behind for future generations. Thank you.